Accessing library computer data.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Captain's Drydock. Yes, it's not like any other episode because it's formal, because it's the announcement of Captain's Drydock's 2020 competition to win this, the Star Trek The Next Generation inspired LCAR display. Yeah, I know I mispronounced LCAR. It's meant to be pronounced LCAR. Some of you did make a comment there, and it wasn't because of my British accent. I just mispronounced it. So thank you very much for correcting me. So what did you have to do to be able to be in with a chance to win this really cool design that was inspired to be the baseboard of my Enterprise D, but I just made bigger to make as a poster? All you had to have done on that video announcing the competition was scroll down, leave a comment, feedback, positive or negative about the channel itself, and or leave a quote from Star Trek The Next Generation. And if you wanted to double your chances to win this competition, all you had to have done was go to the Instagram account, Captain's Drydock, scroll down and leave a comment down there as well, like feedback about the channel or a quote. And then you would have had 2 chances to be able to win this. Now, to select the winner, last week I collated all the comments together from Instagram and Facebook and used a random number generator to select the winner. So, officially, the winner of Captain's Drydock 2020 Star Trek The Next Generation inspired LCAR display is Canadian Starships. Canadian Starships, congratulations. I really hope you enjoy this. I will contact you directly soon after uploading this video, and I really hope you enjoy this. And for all those who really love this poster and design, you may be in with a chance at owning one yourself. At the time of filming, it's currently COVID-19. There's a lockdown in the UK, but I'm currently investigating printers who will print a mass of these, and I'm going to sort out pricing and postage and packaging, and then I can let you know. So if all you need to do is contact me directly via Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, and I'll just pop that into a file somewhere, and then I'll let you know as soon as I work it all out and let you know about costs, and then you can own one yourself. So thank you so much for everyone who actually applied for the competition, who gave feedback, who actually went onto the Instagram account and subscribed. And if you haven't done so, I highly recommend if you go to the Instagram account and subscribe, because these videos take such a long time to make, and with Instagram I can just give regular updates on a daily basis with videos and whatnot, and then you don't have to wait like a month for a video to be made. So thank you so much. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't already done so, and in the meantime, take care, stay safe, and live long and prosper. Make it so, everyone.
Library computer data.